How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of foot odor in shoes. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So foot odor, I will tell you about my foot odor. I did a very physical, very intensive, labor-intensive job. I was probably working 14, 16 hours a day, plus 30 to plus 40 degree temperatures. My feet were just sweating, and you can imagine the foot odor in my shoes. It was terrible. I would walk in the house and my wife would just be like, "Oh my God, that stinks." So how do you get rid of this? It's actually super simple, you guys. It's so simple. All you need to do is get your boot, and then all you're gonna do is super easy. Get a little bit of baking soda and then just sprinkle just a little bit inside your shoe and just leave it overnight. When you wake up the next day, that odor is gonna be completely gone. What you need to do though is you need to put the baking soda, and again, I'm not talking about putting a ton of baking soda and filling your shoe up. I'm literally talking about sprinkling like the smallest amount, just a little bit of baking soda, you guys, inside your shoes. You need to do this for a couple of days. Do it for about 2 to 3 days. Just right before going to bed or right when you're done work, sprinkle it in there. And then when you wake up in the morning, if you notice there's still a little baking soda, just grab your boot and just like get rid of it or like wipe it in a little bit. But baking soda is one of the best natural deodorizers. It will destroy that foot odor. And I know this from experience because again, I had probably the worst foot odor in my shoes, probably the worst. And I got rid of it just by using baking soda. That's all you have to do. Just a little bit of baking soda. Do not buy the things at the store that say shoe remover or smell remover. Do not buy those. They are extremely expensive. I tried them before. They do not work. They're complete crap, and they're like 40 or 50 bucks. Baking soda is like what, $5 maybe? You can even get a small one for like $2. Super cheap, you guys, yet extremely effective. I use baking soda for lots of different things. I've used it in my fridge when my fridge smelled. I had bad smell in my car. I used baking soda. There was something in the corner the one time in one of my rooms, super like it smelled. I used baking soda. Always baking soda if you're trying to get rid of smells, you guys. It's the best thing. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.